Today we'll be looking at phylogenetic trees, specifically using an example with gummies. At the end of our lines in the tree are OTUs, or operational taxonomic units. These OTUs all diverged from the outgroup, which is the normal colored cell gummy, and will be the reference point for the OTUs. Since we can compare the outgroup to the OTUs, this makes this a rooted tree, which is connecting the outgroup, which is a cell gummy, to the most recent common ancestor, which is an animal gummy. The splitting off within this tree gives rise to several internal nodes, which are a splitting off in the tree. This splitting off is cladogenesis, which is splitting of one lineage into two. As we can see, the animal gummy, which is the most recent common ancestor to all the OTUs, is split off into worms and bears. The worms are split into sour and sweet, and then sour split into orange and red, and sweet is split into orange and red. The bears are split into light colored and dark colored, and then the light is split into orange and yellow, and the dark is split into green and red. Another type of evolutionary change that doesn't occur in this tree is anagenesis, and where a species over time accumulates enough change in which speciation occurs. So this is an evolution within a lineage, not splitting off into one lineage into two, which is cladogenesis. Now let's look at our tree as a whole. So the cell gummy, representing our outgroup, is going to be compared to all these OTUs. The animal gummy, which represents the first internal node, is split off into worms and bears, making the animal gummy our most recent common ancestor to all the OTUs. If we look in depth on the worm branch, we can see the most recent common ancestor for the sour and sweet worms is just a normal gummy worm. Also, we can see the most recent common ancestor for the sour orange and sour red worms are just normal sour worms, and the most recent common ancestor for sweet red and sweet orange worms are just normal colored sweet worms. So if we look at the bear branch, we can see the most recent common ancestor for light and dark colored bears is just normal gummy bears. And we can see the most recent common ancestor for orange and yellow bears are just light colored bears. And the most recent common ancestor for green and red bears are just dark colored bears.